Hi, my name is Tom. I was given this next product in exchange for an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So here we have a three-tier shelf system. It looks really, really nice. It is good for a bathroom, for a kitchen, or really anywhere where you want to have kind of a nice wooden-looking and black metal three-tier shelf. It's great for storage because what happens is you can use the same spot of counter space and you can build upwards, so you can actually store more things. So that's really kind of nice for a three-tier shelf. This also comes in a two-tier version. I'm going to go ahead and be building the three-tier version. So first of all, what do you get? Well, you get a screwdriver, a real screwdriver with actual real handle, and you get 12 screws, so that's great. You get the instructions, which are pretty straightforward. You will get two metal sides. These are the two metal sides, and they're actually marked for insides. You know which way to put them. And then you get three of these kind of shelf units. They're kind of like little basket units with little ridges. They look really good. I was actually kind of afraid that they would be a light wood. But they're actually kind of a laminate wood, and what that does is that makes it more waterproof. So if you were to have anything wet on here or drip something or like a little bathroom lotion or something, it will wipe right off of this. It won't damage it as easily as it would damage just natural wood. And then as you can see, the sides of these shelves actually already have the little rivets kind of put in there. So all you do is you put the sides against it, you drive the screws in, and you're done. Assembly looks really easy. To assemble this, I'm going to put the shelf on its side. I'm going to go ahead and take the inside side piece here. I'm going to put the screw through that hole, and then I'm going to use my screwdriver, and I'm going to tighten it in. So far so good. I have one side on. The instructions actually suggest to go ahead and put the side piece on and then put a bottom piece on and then put another side piece on. I chose to kind of put all three shelves along the side piece right away, and that's worked fairly well. I'm gonna do the same thing because it's sitting kind of on the side, it's sitting on the table. I don't have to lift it up. I don't have to worry about things falling apart or being wobbly. This seems to be a better way to assemble it. Ta-da, there you go. It was just 12 screws, 6 on each side. Assembly took less than 10 minutes. I had no problem assembling it. All of these screw holes were relatively straight. One or two were a tiny bit off, but you just tighten them in and they're fine. Like they go in with no problem at all. There's no crooked screws. There's nothing unsteady. It's a very steady, sturdy little shelf. Again, this comes in a 2-tier and a 3-tier version. If you're going to use a 3-tier, it might be a little tall for the kitchen. I actually put it on my kitchen counter, and it's pretty close to the bottom of my kitchen cabinets. I could still slide it under there, but I would actually have not much space in the top. So I'm going to actually go ahead and use this in my bathroom, which is what I was planning to. But just be aware that if you're going to use this in the kitchen and you have overhead cabinets, you may want to get the 2-tier version instead of the 3-tier version. If you're going to use it in the bathroom where you don't have anything overhead, or you're going to use a living room or dining room, then definitely you want to get the 3-tier version so that you have more space. And again, it looks great. I mean, really, the wonderful coloring, it looks really, really nice. It looks like a quality, high durability piece. This would definitely look good in just about any home. So real quick, here's a before picture of my bathroom counter, and then here's an after picture. I took all the same stuff that was in that basket and I put it on this shelf, and I actually still have some shelving space, and I have actually a whole lot more space right here. So it's great. I still have more space in the back there. I could probably rearrange things a little bit better. I just kind of put them there just to kind of show you. So yeah, it works really, really well, and it saves a lot of space. Overall, this is a great little 3-tier cabinet. It was easy to build, easy to put up. It looks amazing, and it does give you a whole lot more storage space in a smaller footprint than a basket or a regular box. So yeah, highly recommended.